Tesla Model 3 voice command issues often stem from three main areas: microphone problems like dust or hardware failure, language or accent mismatches, or server connectivity issues on Tesla's end. We will walk through troubleshooting each to get you back on track. The Tesla Model 3 features a sophisticated microphone array positioned in the overhead console above the rearview mirror. This array consists of multiple microphones designed to capture your voice clearly from the driver's seat. To begin checking your microphone, locate the array in the overhead console. Then, perform a visual inspection by looking closely at the area for any dust accumulation, debris, or physical obstructions that might interfere with sound capture. Next, test the microphone functionality by issuing a simple voice command. For example, say, "Navigate to home," and observe how the car responds. If the command is recognized and executed correctly, the microphone is likely working properly. Alternatively, open the Tesla mobile app and use the Voice Health Check feature. This built-in diagnostic tool will run automated tests on your microphone system and provide specific recommendations for any issues detected. If issues persist, you can manually recalibrate the microphone array. Hold down the scroll wheel on the steering wheel and clearly say "Calibrate microphone." The car will then run an automated recalibration process to optimize microphone performance. Tesla's voice command system supports over 30 languages, but proper configuration is essential for optimal performance. To configure, navigate to Settings on your Tesla's touchscreen, then select Software, and finally Language. Make sure the selected language aligns with your accent to avoid misrecognition. If problems continue, retrain the AI by repeating voice commands multiple times during use. According to user experiences, this retraining process can greatly enhance recognition accuracy. Voice commands in your Tesla Model 3 rely on cloud servers for processing. If the connection is weak, it can cause delays or complete failures. The system sends your voice data to Tesla's cloud servers for interpretation, then returns the response to your vehicle. A weak cellular or Wi-Fi signal is a common cause of issues. Make sure your car has a strong connection. To reset the connection, try toggling airplane mode off and on in your vehicle's settings. While server outages are rare, they can happen. If widespread issues occur, check online Tesla forums or news sources for updates. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air software updates that include improvements to the voice command system and bug fixes. Make sure your Model 3 is running the latest software version. Check for updates in the software section of the touchscreen. Pay attention to release notes, as they often mention specific voice command enhancements. If the previous troubleshooting steps haven't fixed your voice command issues, the problem might be hardware-related, specifically with the microphone array. In 2025, Tesla issued a voluntary recall for Model 3 vehicles built from 2022 to 2024 due to faulty solder joints in the microphone components. To get this resolved, use the Tesla app to schedule a service appointment where certified technicians can inspect and replace the microphone array if needed. Remember to avoid DIY repairs, as they can void your warranty and potentially cause further damage. For persistent Tesla Model 3 voice command issues, advanced troubleshooting involves consulting official resources and following expert recommendations. Start by checking Tesla's official support documentation and user forums, such as Tesla Motors Club or Reddit's Ars Tesla. These resources provide detailed guides and community-driven solutions for complex issues. Expert recommendations include ensuring voice commands don't interfere with autopilot or full self-driving features. The system prioritizes safety, so voice may be delayed or disabled during autonomous operation. According to Cybersecurity Ventures, voice spoofing attacks increased in 2025, posing risks to vehicle security. Spoofing can mislead navigation or commands through fake signals. Finally, avoid unofficial apps or modifications that could compromise your vehicle's security. Always use official Tesla software and updates to maintain safety and functionality. Tesla is continually improving its voice command technology with AI-driven advancements. Advanced AI models are enhancing voice recognition accuracy through machine learning trained on diverse accents and languages. Future updates will integrate multimodal interfaces, combining voice commands with gesture recognition for more intuitive interactions. Edge computing will process voice commands locally on the vehicle, reducing reliance on cloud servers and improving response times. The goal is zero latency recognition, with reliability expected to reach 90% by 2028 through quantum AI processing and local computation. Stay tuned for these enhancements in upcoming software updates. Be sure to report any current issues through the Tesla app to help improve the system. This concludes our guide on troubleshooting and understanding Tesla Model 3 voice commands.